In this video, I will tell you how to activate your MoneyLion card. So first, what you need to do is open the MoneyLion app and log in to your account. Once you're inside, you'll see the main interface. At the bottom, tap on the center bank icon. This will open up the Raw Money section for you. Now tap on Raw Money. Here, you'll need to enter your details, including your date of birth and phone number. After filling that in, check the box to confirm that you agree to be contacted through the automatic dialing system. Be sure to review the terms, policies, and privacy policy before continuing. Once that step is complete, you'll receive a verification code. Enter the code to confirm your Raw Money account. After confirmation, go back to the Raw Money section and you'll see an option called Select Mode. At the top of your screen, you'll notice two cards, your virtual debit card on the left and your debit MasterCard on the right. Choose the card on the right and follow the on-screen instructions to activate your debit account. If the app method doesn't work, you can also activate your card by calling the automatic activation line at 1-801-736-2453. Make sure you have your card details ready and be prepared to set up a 4-digit PIN during the call. Thanks for watching.